Hello, annyeonghaseyo. Welcome to this amazing platform. I am Momata and I'll be a Korean trainer for today. So in the last class, we did wichi or location. Today we are going to do hwaldong or activities. Starting with ohi or vocabularies. The first ohi for today is 생활. 생활 is daily life. Now, how do I spell 생활? OR gives me a wa, so 생활, daily life. Next word is 오늘. 오늘 is today. Next we move on to more. So u or gives me a wa sound. Yes, so more is what and is used to build questions. Next we have 가다. 가다 is to go. So whenever you have dha, just know that it's probably a verb or an adjective. So khada is the verb of to go. Next we have mannada. Mannada is to meet. Again, this is a verb. Next we go on to hada. Hada is the basic verb, a very basic verb which means to do something. So when I attach hada to a noun, this would mean that I'm doing that now. Okay. Next we have irhada. Irhada is to work. Now notice hada. So ir is probably my noun. So ir plus hada. Irhada to work. Next we go on to 공부하다. 공부하다 is to study. Then we go on to 먹다. 먹다 is to eat. Yes. Next we have 읽다. 읽다 is to read. Now we have learned final consonants, double final consonants. So here real will not make a sound. This would be ikta, to read. Next we have mashida. Mashida is to drink something. Then we have 배우다. 배우다 is to learn. And now we move on to 보다. 보다 is to watch or to see something. Next, let's see 문법 or the grammar for today. We learned a few verbs. So always know that verbs and adjectives which are ending with tha are the dictionary forms or the basic forms and are not used as is in a sentence. So how do you use these verbs and adjectives? You change the endings and attach other things to the verb stem or the word stem. So to the stem you'll attach something else to change the tense or time, however you want it to be. Let's see. Our first change that we learn is simple present sentences. So to make simple present sentences, to the verb stem, I'm going to add io, oio, heo. Yes, to the verb or the adjective stem, I'll add io, oio, heo. Not the ing or the continuous form. These are in the simple present form. Let's see what I mean by that. Now, verbs which are ending with a and o. Yes, that is always after eliminating dha. I'll add io to those. Let's see an example. I have ghada, which means to go. I eliminate the dha. Yes, I'm left with gha. Now, ending with a, I add io. Gha plus io. Now I have two a. So instead of making gha io, I'll club the two a together and this will become io. Go. Yes. Let's see the next one. I have bhoda, to watch or to see. I eliminate the dha. Left with o. O ending. I'll add io. So bho plus io. O makes a wa. So this would become bhoayo. Okay. Next, let's see mannada. Mannada, to meet somebody. Again, I'll eliminate dha. I'm left with manna. A plus a come together and this will become mannayo. Let's see the next category. We have words ending with other vowels than we just learned, consonants and especially o, u and e. But remember after eliminating dha. So in these cases, I'll add oyo to my word stem. Let's see. Mokta, to eat. I eliminate dha. I'm left with mog, consonant. So mog plus oyo, this becomes mogoyo. Next, let's see 배우다. 배우다 is to learn. I remove dha, 배우. Yes, I'm supposed to add oil. So bhe u o, hu o gives me a wa sound. So this becomes bhe oil. Learn. Lastly, let's see mashida. Mashida to drink. Remove the dha. I'm left with mashi. I'll have to add oil. So e plus o actually make a yo in this case. So this becomes 마셔요. 마셔요, drink. Let's see the last category we have, words which are ending with hada. So hada will always change to 해요 in the simple present form. So anywhere we spot hada, and if we want to make a simple present sentence, we'll change it to 해요. Let's see. 일하다 to work. 하다, I'll simply change it to 해요. 일해요. 공부하다 to study, change it to 공부해요. Okay, let's see how I'll use it in a sentence. 저는 is I. 저는 공부해요. I study. 줄리 씨는, 줄리 씨 가요. 줄리 씨 goes. 마크 씨는 먹어요. Mark eats. Mark she eats. Okay. Now let's see our next 문법, which is the object marking particle. We have done topic marker, subject marker. Today we will be learning object marker, which I'll attach to noun. So noun plus ul is my object marker. Again, this object marker is not actually changing any grammar of my sentence. It's just an indication that that word, that particular noun is my object. So when there is a bhachim, that means there is a final consonant, I'll add ur. When there is no bhachim, word ending with a vowel, I'll add r. Let's see a few examples. I have the word cheg. Cheg is a book. Now this is ending with a consonant, so I have a bhachim. So I'll add ur. So this becomes chegr. On the other hand, Hanguko, the language Korean, ending with a vowel, no bhachim. So I'll add r. So this becomes 한국어를. Let's see how we'll use it in a sentence. I study Korean. Yes. 한국어를 공부해요. I is the subject. Study is my verb. Korean is my object. You are studying Korean, so Korean is your object. You are the subject. So I could have also added 저는 here, or maybe 제가. Yes. Okay. So notice that my verb is coming at the end. A common Korean structure is subject, object, and lastly the verb. Okay. Let's see another example. I have 책을 읽어요. 책 is my object. 책을 읽어요. 저는 책을 읽어요. I read book. Yes, book is my object. Next we have 커피를 마셔요. I drink coffee. Yes, so coffee is my object. 커피를 마셔요. Then we have 김밥을 먹어요. 김밥, you're eating kimbap. You eat kimbap, so kimbap is your object. 김밥을 먹어요. Kimbap, you've seen kimbap, those seaweed rolls. Yes. Next, let's see this conversation. So, Mark is saying, 오늘 뭐 해요? 뭐 is what? 해요 is coming from 하다, to do something. So, what do you do? Mark asks, what do you do? 오늘 뭐 해요? Julie replies, 오늘 한국어를 공부해요. I study Korean. 마크 씨는 뭐 해요? 마크 씨, what do you do? 마크 씨 replies, 저는 밥을 먹어요. I eat meal. Okay, so today we learned about 활동 and activities. So that's it for today. I'll see you in the next one. 안녕히 가세요.